Who's pointing a laser then? Some idiot with a laser pointer. It's just what you need, isn't it? Look out for them gaps. I'm running a little bit late, otherwise I'd be so tempted to turn around just to ride through that. Just to do a bit of filtering. Shall I? Shall I? I've got time, I think. I reckon I've got time. I've got 20 minutes. 5 minutes of filtering and then I'll come back. It's good to practice these things, isn't it? I shan't be filtering like a boss, Mr. B. I should just be filtering like a pleb. Like the plonker I is. Filtering like a student. No, an employee, wouldn't it? If he's the boss, filtering like a junior. I've seen this done. You're supposed to go. Supposed to go as you go along. So this is my type of filtering. I will be concentrating, so the running commentary ain't going to be so good. But basically, all I'm doing is keeping an eye on all these mirrors. So this guy on the left here, oh, nice gap on the right, so I'll take that. This guy on the left here is looking elsewhere. Oh, it's not going to be that good a filter, is it? Maybe around the corner. But yeah, I like to look at every mirror and see, have they seen me? Do they know I'm coming? I mean, if they pull out the way, unless they're an absolute psycho and they want to suddenly switch back and knock you off, then it's a pretty safe bet that you're getting through there okay. But just a bit of eye contact. Can't rely on it. Never rely on eye contact because some people are absolutely miles away. And they might be pointing their eyes in your direction, but they might not be actually looking and might not be seeing you. And then I'm just really body language of the car, any gaps just to give yourself a bit more room. That little gap here, quite a nice place to stop and have a look in his mirror while this guy ahead wants to change lane. I tend to be a bit wary about filtering past articulated lorries, especially on a bend. Quick check behind me. We've got a bit of a gap coming. He's looking. He's got his attention elsewhere. What are we doing now? This guy was looking and decided to squeeze me. This one's not looking and he's seen me. Excellent. Thank you. Nice gap. What's this guy doing? Well, we're probably going fast enough that we don't need to filter through this bit. It's going to stop in a second, but I really wouldn't mind turning left. Just to turn round and get back. And I would pull into the left, but there's a woman on the left hand side who's on a phone. She's got a phone on her knee. Oh, she's spotted me now. Got a phone on her knee and she's tapping away. Menace, these smartphones. Oh, a little bit of filtering there. Little titty bit. Titty bit. little tiny bit. That's added 4 whole minutes to my commute. I've probably got time to do it again. Woohoo! Maybe next time.